Hi, welcome to 4.1c. This is an explanation of the simulation. So when you get to 4.1c, you're going to click on this simulation. And when you click on the simulation, this is what opens up. This is what you're going to get. What you need to do is follow the directions in the simulation or in the assignment itself. Answer the prior knowledge questions and then the warm up and read word for word as things happen what is going on. But the way the simulator works is everything has two sides, two posts, two access points. In order to connect things, you have to use a wire to connect to one side and a different wire to connect to the other. Make the light bulb glow. To disconnect things, you can either sever the connection so that you can add something new, or if you click in the middle, you can simply delete the entire item. Okay. One of the things that you are going to have to do is use the ammeter. So you go over here, you pull the ammeter out. The ammeter is going to measure the current. It is the digital version of our multimeter, and it measures the current. You can, again, disconnect it and attach it in various places. Like if I wanted to put it on this side, I could put the ammeter over here, and it gives me the same result, which it should in a series circuit. When you want to completely reset your entire board, you just hit the reset button in the bottom right. If you want to measure the voltage, again, setting up a simple circuit, attaching a wire to one side and attaching a wire to the other. I can use the voltmeter. Again, you simply pick it up. You can look at the values. It tells you what the values of things are. But if I measure this, remember black is negative and red is positive, I can measure the voltage at different points. Now notice I'm measuring this voltage just across this. I haven't gone through the light bulb yet. So since I haven't gone through the light bulb yet, I get no voltage. Once I go through the light bulb, then I get the voltage. Once I go on either side of the battery, again, I get the voltage. So be sure you turn on the show current of electrons is on, labels are on, and values, because you want to know the resistance of things. The other cool thing that you can do is adjust the resistance of things. So if I want to adjust the resistance of my light bulb up to 77 ohms, I can. If I want to adjust the voltage of my battery up to 38 volts, I can. So realize that you don't have to stack things on top of each other to change the voltage or the resistance. You can do it with one item. Okay? So hope this helps you play with the simulation. Thanks for watching.